All right, here's a little update on the chicken coop. I haven't done one in a long time, but we boarded off the back walls, and then this is just an extra piece that we had, just to keep this a little bit drier because we had a pretty bad rainy season here. Got the water, got to replace, got to refill. We have some nest boxes here that I'm not too sure if they use or not because we have some rollout boxes. Also, we have sand. Underneath that, we have gravel and mesh, thick gauge mesh to protect from animals burying underneath. They're roosts. As you can see, they poop. We've got one hen, and I'm Samani girl. She's broody, sitting on some eggs. And they like putting their eggs here and not in here. See? There's one, but that's where they put most of them. These are said chickens right here. Eating some food that we didn't get to on time. Some banana peppers, tomatoes, some bell peppers, a bunch of pine cones. And all these feathers are from our feathery friends, the ducks. This is their little house right here. They stay in here. They need refeeding as well and more water. This one we don't use anymore, but this is the duck pen. And as you can see, they do have a pool down there. We've got the rabbits. Excuse the mess.
What's up, chicken? What's up, chicken? Chicken, 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 chicken.
Yeah, buy our eggs. They're delicious. These girls eat better than I do some most days. Oh! Sorry. Sorry. Okay, he's done. What a player. Alright, so here's a little video of the rabbits. Obviously, we got their cages. This is a mama and 4 little does. That's Mama Pretzel. That's what we call her. These are the babies. These are the babies. They're so cute. There was 6 of them, but in nature, animals don't always make it. So that's the mama. One of my mamas. She's the only one that has kidded recently. This is another little buck right here. Red-eye white buck. So cute. And then this is a mini Rex doe. I'm actually looking to sell her. I think I got a guy lined up. I think. So we'll see if we can get her sold pretty soon. They free feed, so I feed them once they're done. I check every single day. So this is a meat rabbit. He's waiting on the bus for freezer camp. Mama's obviously a breeder. The babies are waiting on freezer camp. Give them a few more weeks. And this is Snow White. She's chilling. Hi, Mama. She's chilling. She's got a big area right now. We're about to move the babies to a location you're about to see. This is the infamous Mr. Gray. That's what we named him, because he'd be doing his thing. It's another little buck of ours. This is a mini Rex. The mini Rexes are just strictly show animals. He is my buck though. He's got a name, but I just can't recall it at the top of my head right now. And we've got his lady over here. We got his lady, and she's just hanging out as well. So those are the rabbits. And now let me show you where the babies are going. And that will be a little part 2. Well, it won't be a part 2 because y'all won't. It'll just transition. But that's where the babies are going. Right in here. Very nice. And it opens up. Mom is gonna come in here with the babies so they can have a lot more room. Pretty simple locking mechanism. Shut out. My dad, he made this while we were gone in Savannah. So that is pretty much the rabbit hutches. Nice little setup. Excuse the mess on top. Got nest boxes and feeder bags. These are the rabbits. So thank y'all for tuning in. What do you say? What do you say? All right, here's a little update on the garden. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. We've been out. Got a lot of tomatoes ready. As you can see, some of them already died. Peppers are ready. Look at that, touching the ground. Big old peppers. Still got some pumpkins growing around here. There's two. There's another one right there, and there's one on the outside. Other than peppers. But yeah, no more beans. Beans are gone. Hello, watermelon, I think. No, I don't know. I think could be a pumpkin. Pepino. But more beans. Más frijoles. Ya casi está estos. Casi terminan. Y ya sembramos frijoles. Papá Maía. Más pepinos. Yeah, sí está el jardín ahorita. Agarrar lo que podemos y echar agua. Y miren estos dos de grandes. Miren. Está grande. Ni de las tiendas crecen así. Miren. Chiquitito. Miren, y siguen saliendo. Miren el bello color de estos banana peppers. Miren. Comparado a estos. Se nota la diferencia, miren. Se nota.